Hi, today we're going to be making Vaporeon, Flareon, and Jolteon out of Play-Doh. Hi, this is Art with Raven. The things you need black Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, light blue Play-Doh, dark blue Play-Doh, and yellow Play-Doh. Okay, now get light blue Play-Doh, roll it up into a ball, and then squish it into a circle like this. Okay, this is the head. Now you need to get some white. You need to wrap it into a big snake and then wrap it around. Like this, and then you put maybe kind of make it look like wavy. Okay, now since you've done that part, you need your dark blue, and now you're gonna make an M shape with it. So roll it into a snake. It can don't make it too big. And also don't make it too thick. And then you just make an M shape. Like this. And then you put it on the head, the top. Kind of like push it down a little. Okay. Now get blue, dark blue, and make 3 long lines. Make it into a snake. But that's a little too big. If it's too big, you could either just use a Play-Doh knife or your hands to get some off. Then you're going to do it 3 other times on the side. Wait, 2 other times on the side. And so I'm going to do it. And some more. Like this. Now that you've made a part of the ears, you get some yellow Play-Doh, kind of like split it in half, and make them both into like a triangle. And then put them like that. Okay, now since you've made the ears, now we're going to make the eyes and nose. So get a black piece or 2, or you could do 3. You can split it in half, but if that's not enough, that's okay. Put the eyes like that. Make them in like a diamond shape. And then you need to get a very tiny piece of white. I think that's a little too tiny. About this size. And put it on the eye. sure you get some white on both of the eyes. Now, since you've made the eyes, you need to get some more black and make it into a tiny triangle shape. And then you just stick it kind of under between the eyes. Okay, good job. Now you've made a Vaporeon. Okay, now since you've made your Vaporeon, you're gonna get orange Play-Doh and get some, and then roll it up into a ball. I'm gonna get a little more. And then you're gonna flatten it like this. Okay, so now you've made the circle head shape. Now you're gonna make the ears. So get some Play-Doh, roll it into a snake. Don't make it a big snake though. And then connect it to the head and smush it a little. Make two. And also you need black for the inside of his ear. You can just like maybe make it into a triangle shape. Or like what shape your ear is. Okay, now since you've made the ears, we're going to get some black. We're gonna make the eyes and nose. Make them a diamond shape, just like you did on Vaporeon. Smush it on there. And get the white. Make sure they're very tiny, but make sure they can at least fit on the eye. Not the whole eye, just a little bit. Okay, now you've made the eyes. Now you're gonna get a tiny piece of black, about this size. Make it into a triangle. Put it about under the nose, the eyes. Now since you made the nose, now you need your yellow for the hairdo. You kind of need not too much, but maybe this much. Kind of roll it up into a snake, and then you can just like put it kind of like around the circle you've already made, like that. Okay, and also for the hairdo, you can like maybe like pinch it a little to make it look fluffy. But now we're gonna put like, well, get some yellow, maybe like circle, kind of like flatten it, kind of a little, then kind of make it like a teardrop, and then put it on his head. Good job, now you've made a Flareon. Now since you've made your Flareon, now you're going to make Jolteon. You need to get some yellow, and you're going to make a circle. Well, roll it into a ball, just like you did with the other two. I need more. And smush it. And now since you've made the head, we're gonna make the ears. Get 2 pieces like this. And then make it into like maybe like a bigger diamond shape, just like you can make it like flatter, and you can like shape it like how you want the ear. And if you wanna, if you can't get your ear like that, you can like roll it into a snake. Not big of a snake. Put it down, smush it, shape it into your ear. And you need black, 2 black pieces, and then put it on the ear, like this. Okay, now since you've made the ears, we're going to make the eyes and nose. So, do the same thing you did with the other ones. Make the eyes into a diamond shape. And get a little piece of white. That's too big. And now we're going to make the nose. Make it into a triangle shape, very small. Then put it on. Okay, now we're going to make another small hairdo. You can do small triangles. And then stick it on. There might be a lot of them there, but maybe not a lot if you make them kind of big. Good job. Now you made a Jolteon. Like and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.